but there are a lot of young startup entrepreneurs in the audience as well, and they may start feeling a bit overwhelmed with the amount of things that they need to do with regards to the testing. So, from your interactions with customers in this area and working on EV and EV components, what is your suggestion to young companies in this area in terms of how they can plan out their testing and validation?
Uh, very right question, sir. See, primarily, there are two agencies, they are doing this test, ARA and ICAT. There is a lot of queue there, and cost is also very high, and you may not like to go there, get failed, and go back to them. So this type of private labs which we are putting up at Bangalore, these will be very useful to get the testing done primarily first, and then go to the testing laboratories for the final approvals. That will be my suggestion. And those who can afford to buy, those who have high volumes, those who want are long-term player, should invest in buying these equipments and put up in their factories for ensuring 100% safety, because to build the name, it takes long time. To tarnish the name, it takes few seconds or minutes. So their vehicle should not fail in the field. So that should be their primary motto. Enough testing should be done. I know India is very cost sensitive. People do the cost cutting, but this is not the right place for the cost cutting. Thank you.
So a follow-up to that, one is certification testing, and I know for certification testing, ARAI and ICAT are the right places to go, and that is very important, right? You need to launch a certified product. But from a overall validation, right, at a component level, at a system level, what is that, let's say a company making a three-wheeler, what are we talking about in terms of potential expenses just with validation? What do you have an idea of that number to help our audience?
Sure. For small two-wheeler, the cost can be anything around 4 crore of rupees for the complete EV test equipment that will take care of battery and a motor and also of the complete vehicle. And for the four-wheeler at a higher wattage, the cost will be approximately 8 to 9 crores for the complete EV test equipment that will test the motor, battery, e-axle. So these are some of the typical costs for the equipment alone. I am not considering the civil or the utilities, which may cost another 1 crore or so for that.